Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Rick Jenkins here with the Freedom Group. We're going to be going over another SpotOn Restaurant tutorial. Today we are going to be covering just simply adding a new menu item. We're going under the assumption that the dealer that set up your software already have your main menu item groups with the corresponding reporting groups. And so we can go over that in a future video as far as starting completely from scratch. But had a restaurant owner call me yesterday. They got a new item in, needed it added on the fly. And so we did that but now I just want to make this video to show you how to do it so you wouldn't have to reach out and make a call. You know how to do it yourself and get everything done. So let's get started. First of all, let me minimize myself a little bit here and move on over to the side. So the quickest way to do this, just to add a simple menu items, we're going to go to our menu item groups. And we're adding a salad in. They wanted to add a Greek salad, so we already have that actually selected. So we're in the soup and salad group. And then what we want to do is come down here, and we really want to go ahead and click on one of these existing salads and duplicate it. Even though we're going to have different modifiers for this Greek salad, it does save a lot of other settings that will make us a little bit more efficient, make it faster to add in if we just edit. So we're going to edit that. Let me move over here out of the way just a little bit. Okay, so we want to edit the BYO salad. We're not really going to edit it, but we are going to use this little duplicate feature here. So we're going to click duplicate. And when we do, you see it changes up here to BYO salad copy. And then we would just name that to our Greek chicken salad that we want to create. Click down here, and there you see Greek chicken salad. So we come on down. It's in the reporting group of soup and salad already for us because we duplicated the one. Our pricing is going to be a little different, so we're going to change that to $9.99. That's what they want to charge for that. Come on down. Requisition group, we do want all of our salads to print to the expo and to the salad station, so we'll leave that the same way as well. Online ordering settings, as with any item on here, you can have it displayed differently for online ordering. So that way, if your customer at home, if it makes sense to your restaurant staff, but doesn't make sense to your customer, then we can change that to read differently. But we're not going to do that on this one right now. Come down, our sales tax is already in there, and we get to our modifiers. So the salad mods is not really going to work for this Greek salad. So we're going to have to create another one. We're just going to go ahead and get rid of that and this item. We're going to say new linkage. See the little black box pops up right here. We're going to click the white circle with the arrow in it to bring up our modifier groups. And we're going to hit the plus sign to create one. So we're going to call it Greek salad mods. Now, say on this one for online ordering, customers may not understand what the word mods means. So we could type in here something like Greek salad options. Okay. And then right here underneath modifiers in the white box, we would type in the items that are on this Greek salad that we might want to change. So we're going to go, it has red onions. It has tomatoes. And it has cucumbers. All right, and I know it comes with chicken, but you'd think you probably don't need to have chicken on there. Why would you order Greek chicken salad if you didn't want chicken? But I'm going to show you we do need to put it in there, and I'll show you why in just a second. All right, so there we go. Now that we have those in there, we need to put in some options if somebody wanted to add, or they wanted no, or they wanted extra. And as you see right here, if we wanted to sort these alphabetically, we could just by clicking that, but I'm going to kind of leave them the way they are for now. So for our modifier options, we click here, and these are the modifier options we have programmed in the system currently. And we can put as many or as few as you like, completely customizable, but we're going to go with no as an option. And we'll add another one, call it extra, and another one for on the side. Okay, now this first one right here is always going to be your default. So when the server's typing in the order, they come to that, it's automatically going to be on no, and then they would have to select if they wanted extra on side or something of that nature. So you want to be kind of strategic on what you put in this first slot. So now that we've added those in, we can come back up here and go to edit modifiers. It's going to bring up the modifiers in this group, and let's select all the veggies. They wanted to where if somebody wanted extra veggies, they wanted to charge 50 cents. So we'll put 50 cents for that. And now anytime somebody says extra cucumber, red onion, or tomato, it automatically upcharges the 50 cents. And let's click on the chicken. Extra chicken is going to be $1. Okay. So that is done. Now we can come back over to our menu item now. And in this drop down, we can go to our Greek salad mods. There we go. And we really want it before the salad dressing, so we can just click over here to move it up a level, and there it is. We're not going to have a minimum or maximum requirement on this, and we don't want to select choice list. Reason being, let me click back on here. Anytime that we use the modifier options, then if you select choice list, it just will not work right. So you want to leave that unchecked right there. Now in the salad dressing, we could use that. We just need to make sure that Greek salad's in there. So let's click on that little arrow, and we don't have a Greek. So let's just go ahead and add Greek salad. Enter. And there we go. So now our Greek salad's in there. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I lied. We did have that. Back that up. So if you do that, just hit that, bam. Okay. So the Greek dressing was in there. Modifier options, I'm seeing the star. Now, a lot of times we use star as that just means it's a short way of saying we want this with it. And so that's on there. The only thing I'm not seeing is extra. So let's throw that in there and come back up here to edit modifiers. And what we can do again is select all of these. And if they want extra, they wanted to charge an extra 50 cents. So there we go. So now go back to our menu item. So we have our salad dressing, and they did want one other thing. So the Greek salad did come with feta cheese, but they do have an option of mozzarella or cheddar. So we're going to do new linkage again. Let's click the drop down. If we have any cheese sticks, cheese. Yeah, I really don't have one that would fit that. So again, we would click on the circle, get into our modifier groups, hit plus to add one, and call it Greek salad cheese options. I think that sounds good. Okay, so the first one we're going to put in will be feta. That's what it comes with. Or they could choose to get mozzarella. Oh, I love spell check. There we go. And enter. And cheddar. And we want some modifier options. We're going to go ahead and use this little star to say if they automatically want it to come with feta, or we could say no, extra on the side. Okay, and again, edit modifiers, select these cheeses, and if they want extra, it was going to be 50 cents. There we go. Let's come back down here to our menu item, come to the drop down, and select our Greek salad cheese option. Again, we want that above dressing, so let's press that. And just for example's sake, I'm going to show you the min max. So we're going to say they're required to have a minimum, and they only have a maximum of 1. Okay, so we have that in there, and come down here. So everything looks good. We're not going to use this salad meat ads on this particular one. It's already in our soup and salad category, so everything looks good. Everything is set. Let's jump to the front of the house and let's go to our soups and salads. And there we have our Greek chicken salad. Now, it put it right after the BYO salad because we duplicated that one. It popped it right there. If you did want it somewhere different, you come back to the back of the house, go to your menu item groups, and it's still saying BYO salad copy. Sometimes it takes it a minute to change that, but if we left click on that, sort and move, and let's put it last. Say okay, and then it populates. Typically, yep, Greek chicken salad. Now it changed. Come back to the front of the house, and there it is. Just that quick, it moved it right to the end. So show you the workflow on this. Now that if we select the Greek chicken salad, here's your options. No extra on side. Let's just to test everything. We want extra onions and extra chicken. We want, we forced the cheese option. You don't have to. I just want to show you how this worked. If you notice, we have not selected our cheese option, so the done down here is not lit up. So we cannot finish this order. So we're going to say they wanted the feta, and then they wanted extra Greek dressing. Let's make sure this is all populating right. Looks good. So extra red onions, 50 cents, extra chicken, $1. They wanted it feta with extra Greek dressing. So that $9.99 salad is now $12.71. All looks good. So that's it, guys. That's really just a simple way to add in an extra item by utilizing the duplicate feature. And so if we can help you in any way, if there's any topic you want us to cover on SpotOn Restaurant POS, feel free to reach out. Click the link above to contact us. And other than that, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.